improves elasticity of the skin. Whoa! It's like a little bunny tail. Hey girl, welcome to Emmarie Lane, where my goal is to find you the best beauty products for the best prices. And in today's video, we're going to be battling the brand new Flower Beauty Spotlight Liquid Highlighter versus the Makeup Revolution Bright Light Liquid Highlighter. There have been some requests to do a dupe battle between the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wand and both of these. And since I can't put 3 highlighters on my face, like that doesn't work very well, I thought I would battle both of these, see which one's better, and then if enough people are interested, I could do a dupe battle between the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter and whichever one of these is better. Let's get into it. I'm going to be doing the Makeup Revolution on my right and the Flower Beauty on my left, starting off with the Flower Beauty. So the goal today is to look like a disco ball. I want to be blinding. I know that's not everyone's look, and I will start off with a more natural finish just so you can see what that looks like, and then I'm gonna build it up because we want to know how buildable it is, all that stuff.
I made sure that the rest of my face makeup is either a natural or a matte finish, and I didn't use any primer beforehand, and I'm not going to use any setting powder or setting spray either.
Okay, do you screw this off or oh, it just pops off. Look how cute that little fluffy guy is. It's like a little bunny tail. Squeezing gently. Squeezing a little bit harder now. Oh, you have to twist it. Okay, now squeezing gently again. Oh wow, I'm gonna try to go light. Just a couple little dots. Beautiful. Blend that out with my fingers, I guess. According to CVS's website, that's how you say that, yeah. Get a fresh, healthy looking, glowing skin with this new Flower Beauty Spotlight Liquid Highlighter. Infused with moisturizing ingredients to keep the skin hydrated. This revolutionary formula effortlessly blends the finest pearls into the skin, leaving a dewy, luminous, and fresh look. That's what a more natural is like. It's like a really, really subtle glow, like a lit from within kind of glow. I like it. Let's build it up. It features a unique soft cushion applicator to precisely dispense the product directly onto the skin. It's supposed to blend effortlessly, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free. It is only available as of right now at CVS and also on Flower Beauty's website, and it goes for $12.99. I have it in the shade. What shade do I have it in? Opal, because that's one that's supposed to be a dupe for one of the Charlotte Tilbury shades, and you know, just in case this one's the one that's the dupe, I wanted to have the exact shade. Okay, maybe I went a little too far. I'm gonna grab a sponge to kind of soak these up a tiny bit. That's a little better. We're glowing, but you can't quite see the lines of where the glowing stops. I forgot the lid wasn't on. Switching this off. Oh, you know what? I can add a tiny bit to my inner corner. Beautiful. It's really, really pretty. There's still a line there though. I love that for an inner corner highlight, man. That's like in your face. So since I can't like divide the edge of my nose in half, that's kind of difficult. I'm gonna do the Flower Beauty on my Cupid's bow and then the, I almost said Revlon, the Revolution on the end of my nose. This has plastic all around it. Oh, we're finally getting it. There we go. That's some more pink than I thought it would be. According to Ulta's website, it says, get ready, get set, glow. We're just all the cheese here today. Introducing the Makeup Revolution Bright Light Highlighters. That looks really weird coming out. Smooths and improves elasticity of the skin. Whoa! That's a big claim! While giving you a gorgeous luminous glow. Apply less for a natural radiance or build it up for a blinding highlight. That's what we're going for. It is also cruelty-free and vegan. It also has a sponge applicator that's supposed to be like a, you only need this, you don't need anything else to apply it. It comes in 4 shades. I think I forgot to mention the Flower Beauty one comes in 3 shades. That one comes in 3 shades. This one comes in 4. And I have it in the shade Strobe Champagne. It goes for $10 on Ulta's website. So it is a little tiny bit cheaper. Not a big enough difference that I would say the price is gonna get in the way. Okay, so a little bit goes a long way more with this one than that one. That is blinding. It doesn't say this in the details on Ulta's website, but the bottle says it has quartz in it. So that's interesting. I feel like I almost need to add a little bit more to this side to match it. Is this a good idea? Probably not. Okay, there we go. Now they're equally blending. Did I use too much highlighter today? Yes. Do I really care that much? No. I realize most people are not going to go this dramatic. That's okay. Cannot forget the inner corner highlight. It is currently 11:19. I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on real fast and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the rest of my makeup on. So the differences between the two, I mean, besides the fact that this you only need a tiny bit if you want a natural look. This one, you need to pack it on a little bit more if you want a more intense look. The Makeup Revolution one, I feel like it was a little bit easier to blend out with the amount of product. This one, you have to kind of work at it a little bit if you like need to build it up. There was like a distinct line that I had to work at. Hopefully you can't see it on camera anymore. You can't see it in person anymore, but sometimes camera's good at picking up stuff better than the human eye. When they're blended out, they look about like the same shade. There's not really that much of a difference between the two. Like this one, I thought would be more pink with the way it looks on the little sponge thing. You can see they both look absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I think it'll really come down to like how well both wear throughout the day. I'm going to just go by my day. I'll do a check-in halfway throughout the day outside in natural lighting because it's freaking 70 something degrees. I'm so excited for spring. And we'll see how things hold up. Sometimes liquid highlighters can gotta get patchy, so we'll see if either one of these have that issue. Be testing this out for 12 hours at least, probably a little bit more than that, probably like 12 and a half, 13-ish. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, just kidding, before I do the check-in, I noticed something. So when I was filming a TikTok, the Flower Beauty side, like when I'm looking straight on, looks more textured. Not a ton more, but there is a slight difference. This is what it looks like on my phone. You can see there's a little bit more texture there. Is the end of the world? No, but I wanted to point that out while I remember.
Okay, we are at the halfway point and things are looking so good, but you can see, oh my goodness, my mascara. Wow, that's a first for this one. It's a Maybelline one. And you can see in natural lighting, they both cause some texture, which can happen with highlighter. I don't have any like primer on or anything like that. I did that on purpose. But this side has more texture on it. I mean, both still look beautiful. But this side, so you can see the line a little bit more in this kind of lighting. And this side, there's not really a line at all. I look like I'm just a fairy, so I love that. There's no like flaking or anything like that. It's not like bunching up weird. I mean, for the most part, so far so good. Ignore the lipstick. That didn't work out so well today. And I forgot to reapply it. I guess we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the time.
It is 12:24, so it's been 13-ish hours. My mascara is messed up again. Well, that, I swear it's only when I start recording that it gets messed up. This is what everything looks like. Everything is still on my face. It looks beautiful. I do have a little bit of shine going around my nose because like I mentioned, I didn't use any primer or anything like that. And I feel like both of them look really good, but this one just looks more smooth. This one is kind of hard to get a hold of in stores. Out of the two, it probably comes down to preference with how natural you like yours to look, because this just on its own just a little bit, a lot more natural looking. But I feel like this just looks more smooth. I'm gonna say the Makeup Revolution is the winner, but just barely, just because this has a little bit of a texture issue, but it's not bad at all. And I feel like if I had pore filling primer, it wouldn't even be that noticeable. If you guys see a review of the new Maybelline long lasting shiny lipstick, you can click right here. I'll link everything I talked about in the description box below. Those links are affiliate links, so I do get you a small percentage of profits if you use my link to buy the product, but it's not affect you in any way. I love you guys so much, and don't ever forget that you are enough. Bye!